Today is the 23rd of April. And who knows what day it is? What day is it today? Luli, do you know?
It is Thursday.
Well done, it's Thursday. Very good.
Tomorrow is Friday.
Tomorrow's Friday. Very good. Well done. Okay, so today is Thursday. And let's remember what we learned about yesterday, okay? Yesterday was Wednesday. Sam, what did we learn about yesterday?
Phonics sound long E, ni, chi, free.
Good. So we learned about Phonics, long E. Well done, Sam.
Not Sonic, it is Phonics.
Did I say Sonics?
Yes.
I didn't mean to. Okay, thank you. So we learned about Phonics, long E. How does it sound? Taylor, how does long E sound?
E.
E, very good.
Tree.
Do you remember any more?
B.
B, very good.
And I don't remember.
That's okay, you did very well. B, tree, and here we have knee and free. Hands up if you remember one, Sophia.
Meat.
Beach, yeah?
Meat.
Meat, very good. Well done, Sophia. Meat. Who remembers another word from yesterday with long E? Hands up. Nobody? Puppy.
Me.
Me, well done. Me. Okay, hands up if you remember any more. Me, beach, sea. Is that all? I'm looking. Okay, Pasta.
P and E.
P and
E.
eat. Very good. Well done. Okay, so everyone, let's have a look. Yesterday, the homework was to do the test, okay? Hands up if you already did the test. Hands up. Let me see. Sam, Taylor, Milk, well done. Mango, well done. Dukoy, Blue Moon, Rosie. Excellent. Very good. So who wants to tell me if they got a good score? Mango, what score did you get?
Hello.
Hello. Do you know what score you got?
I don't know.
You don't know? That's okay. Did you think it was easy or difficult?
Easy.
Easy. Okay, well done. Hands up if you know your score. Pasta, what did you get?
30.
3? How many?
30 points.
How many points? 30?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Well done. 30. Okay, Taylor, what did you get?
I have 3 wrong.
3 wrong. That's very good. Well done. 3 wrong is a very good score. So you got 27, right?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Okay, who else wants to tell me? George, what did you get?
I don't know my score.
You don't know your score?
I don't remember.
That's okay. Did you find it easy or was it hard?
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Okay. Who else wants to tell me their score? Anyone else? Hands up. Blue Moon, what did you get?
1 wrong.
1 wrong? Only 1 wrong?
Yes.
Excellent. Well done. So you got 29. Well done. How about Dukoy?
I got 13.
You got how many?
It means 3 and 0.
3 and 0, 30.
Yes.
So you got full marks, everything correct?
Yes.
Well done. Excellent.
And 1 I'm not correct.
Oh, that's okay. Well done, Dukoy. Very good. Okay, anyone else wants to tell me? Nope, I don't see any more hands up. Ben, put your camera on.
I have 1 wrong.
Only 1 wrong, so you got 29, right? Good job, puppy. Did you find it easy or difficult? Easy, well done. Okay. Oops, Sam, are you ready? Okay, now?
Okay.
I have just 2 wrong.
You have 2 wrong. So how many did you get? 20?
20, maybe 28.
28. Very good. Did you find it easy or difficult?
Easy.
Easy. Okay, Milk, how about you?
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Good, Sam. Milk, how about you?
I got 13. No wrong.
Nothing wrong. Well done. Excellent. Good job, Milk. Well done. Did you find it easy or difficult?
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Very good. Okay, so once everyone has finished the test, then we will check it, okay? But not everyone has finished yet, so we will do it later. Okay, so today we are doing phonics again, day 2. Okay, so yesterday we did day 1, today is day 2. So what will we do today? We're going to do phonics long E sounds, just like yesterday. So who can remember what is the long E sound? Hands up. Hands up if you remember the long E sound. Banana.
E.
E, very good. Sounds like E. Do you remember any words, Banana, from yesterday?
Yes.
Tell me.
Freeze.
Freeze. Very good. That's a very good word. Freeze. Okay. So who can tell me what can they see here? This is a long E word. What is it? Let me see. Lily, what is it?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. That's okay. Who can help Lily? Dukhoi.
Bean.
Bean. Very good. It's a bean. Thank you, Dukhoi. Lily, how do we spell it?
B-A-I-N.
B-E-A-N. Very good. And does it have long E? Yeah, it does. Long E in the middle. Bean. Well done.
Like Mr. Bean.
Like Mr. Bean. Very good. Okay. Let's check the next one, everyone. What is this one? What is this one? Tiger.
Ocean.
The ocean. Yeah, it's the ocean. Or what's another name for the ocean? Begins with S.
Sea.
The sea. Very good. How do we spell it, Tiger?
S-E-I.
Good. And does it have long E?
Yes.
Yeah, it does. It has long E here. E-A long E. Very good. C. How about this one? What is this? What is this one? Tom, do you know? Who can you see?
I see football player.
Yeah, football players. And what's it called when we have lots of players and they play together? They are
Team.
a team. Very good. Which football team is this?
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Do you like them?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, Tom, how do you spell team?
T-E-I-M.
Good. Does it have long E?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Okay, long E is here. Good job, Tom. Dukhoi, do you have a question?
But in the team of Vietnam football, so I like the number 5 one.
The number 5?
Yes.
This one here?
Yes.
Yeah, is he a very good player?
Yes.
Yeah.
I just like you.
I see. Very good. Who else likes this team? Who likes Vietnam team? Hands up. Sam likes them. Mango, Funny, Ben 10, Susu. Ben 10, who is your favorite? What's your favorite number? Number 7?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, Ben 10, let's do the next one. What is this one?
Seed.
A seed. Very good. Remember we planted some seeds when we went on our field trip?
Yes.
Yeah? How do you spell seed?
S-E-E-D.
Very good. S-E-E-D. Seed. Does it have long E?
Yes.
Yeah, it does. We spell it E-E. Good job, Ben. Well done. How about this one? Hands up. Funny.
Knee.
Knee. Very good. How do you spell knee?
K.
Double E.
Okay, then double E. What about, you forgot one letter?
N.
N. So do it again.
K N double E.
Very good. Does it have long E? Funny? Oops, where did you go? I wasn't finished. Does it have long E?
Yes.
Yeah, it does. Very good. Okay. Long E is here. E and E. Good job, Funny. Okay, now we have some pictures and we have to say what is the correct word for the picture. I will let you circle. Please circle it nice and neat, okay? Don't make a mess. Are you ready, everyone? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, don't make a mess, remember. Ready and stop. Okay, let's see if you are correct. What can you see?
A bee.
A bee. Very good. Tell me a sentence with bee.
A bee can help flowers spread pollen.
Very good. That's a very good sentence. Bees can smell flowers and what did you say? Spread pollen?
No.
Tell me again.
Bee can help flowers spread pollen.
Ah, bees can help flowers spread pollen. Very good. That's a very good sentence. So this one is B. Okay. Let's try the next one, everyone. Number 2. Circle the correct word. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. What can you see? Okay, stop. Who put this one? Tent. Is it a tent, George?
No.
No. What is it?
Teeth.
Teeth. Okay. Tell me a sentence with teeth.
I have a teeth.
I have teeth. Again.
I have teeth.
That's better. Well done. I have teeth. Very good. Okay, next one, everyone. Circle the correct words. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, stop. Very good. Very neat. Well done. Cherry, what is it? Sorry, Cherry, I can't hear you. Let's see someone else. Blue Moon, what is it?
Beak.
Beak. Very good. What kind of animal has a beak? Blue Moon, what kind of animal has a beak?
Chicken.
A chicken? Yeah, okay, a chicken. What other kind of animal? Mango.
Bird.
A bird. Birds have beaks. Very good.
How about
Okay, Blue Moon. Birds have beaks.
a fly bird?
A flybird? I don't think so. Okay, beak is the correct answer. Next one, number 5. Let's see. Are you ready, everyone? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, stop. Let's see who is correct. Susu, what is it?
A seal.
It's a seal. Very good. How do we spell seal? How do you spell it? Susu.
S-A-L.
Very good. S-E-A-L. Well done. And who can tell me a sentence with seal? Ray. Hello, Ray.
Hello.
Hello. Tell me a sentence with seal.
The seal swims in the ocean.
Very good. The seal swims in the ocean. That's a very good sentence. Well done. Okay, good job, Ray. So that's all of our words. And now we will go back and read the story. Remember the story that we started yesterday? Okay, let's see if we remember what it was about. And we will finish the story today. After the story, we can play a game, okay? Who wants to play a game after the story? Tom wants to play, Ben wants to play, Dragon wants to play, okay. Very good. So does Puppy, so does Sam, Taylor, George, Mango. Okay, so first we finish the story, then we can play a game. So who remembers what this story is called? Who remembers the name of this story? Dragon.
Miss Claire.
Yes.
I read it
Dragon, tell me the name of this story.
at the beach.
At the beach. Very good. At the beach. And Dukai, where are you? Dukai, do you remember what happened in this story?
No.
No? Remember, the children are at the beach, and what are they collecting? What do they find at the beach?
So I don't know what is the name of that.
That's okay. Who can help, Dukai? Who remembers the name? What were they collecting? George.
What?
What were they collecting at the beach?
Nothing.
Nothing? Are you sure?
They collect seaweed.
Seaweed? No, not seaweed. Do you know?
I know already.
Okay, Dukai, tell me.
The shell.
Shells, very good. They were collecting seashells. So remember, the children are at the beach. They are best friends, okay? Remember, pal means friend. And it says, Pete is my best pal. We meet at the beach each week. We run and jump and yell. It's fun. And then, remember, what did they eat at the beach? What did they eat at the beach? Where is Hainam? Hainam, what did they eat at the beach?
Yes. Bread. Bread.
Bread?
Yeah.
Not bread. Remember, I'll put a circle here for you. What does it say? Peaches.
Peaches.
Peaches. Remember this one here? This is a peach, and it's a very juicy fruit, okay? A very tasty fruit. A peach. And it says they're both wearing what color of hats? What are they wearing?
What?
What are they wearing on their head?
Hat and hat.
Hats. Yeah, what colors are there? What color is their hats?
Green.
It's a green hat. Very good. Their hats are green. Good job. Okay, let's check the next one. Okay, and then they find some shells. How many shells did they find, Pasta?
Many shells.
Are you sure? Read the story. Tell me.
They keep about 5 shells each.
Good. They have about 5 shells each. Okay, then we sit by the sea. Pete gets his feet wet. My feet get wet too. Splash, splash, splash. We don't go in the sea. It's fun to just get wet. Okay, Sophia, do the children go in the sea?
No.
No, what do they do?
Just have fun.
They just have fun, yeah?
Wet.
Getting wet, well done, very good. Good, Sophia. They just have fun sitting down on the sand and getting their feet wet. Okay, so next page, we didn't read this one, so let's read this one today. Let's check. Tiger, can you read?
We love ding. So we run in the whole field up fast. We get wet sand.
Good, well done. Okay, who can show me the long E sounds? Tom,
What?
can you show me the long E sounds here?
We see.
Any more?
No.
No, okay, good job. So we, see, and we. So what does it say? They're digging some holes and the water fills the holes. Who has done this before at the beach? When you dig a big hole and then the water goes inside the hole. Lily has done it. Very good. Anyone else? Only Lily. And Ben, I see you, Ben. Okay, let's check the next one. Okay, who can read this one? Ray, are you ready?
We get a lot of wet sand. We make a neat sand beach.
Good. We get a lot of wet sand. We make a neat sand beast. Do you know what a beast is, Ray?
Yes.
Yeah, tell everyone.
A beast is a type of a monster.
It's like a monster. Very good. A beast is another name for a monster. Okay, who can show me the long E sounds? Milk.
We.
We.
This.
This one we said beast. Let me hear. Beast.
Reach.
Okay, nearly. It sounds like beast. Beast. Long E, okay? And one more, Milk. This one?
Neat.
Neat. Well done. Neat. Okay. Thank you, Milk. So neat, if you don't know, neat means, this one here, it means like tidy, okay? So if I tell you make your desk neat, it means make it tidy. What kind of animal do you think they are making? What kind of animal do you think it is? Taylor.
A snack.
A snake. Maybe it's a snake. We're going to find out in the next page. Let's find out now. Okay. Thank you, Taylor. Okay, where is Susu? Susu, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Can you read the next page? Let me turn the page. This one.
The sun beast is like an eel. Maybe it's a snake. We run and jump over it.
Very good. Well done. So what animal did they make?
An eel.
An eel. Good job. They made an eel. Do you know what an eel is, everyone? What is an eel? Who knows? Mango.
A kind of snake that lives in the water.
Very good. It's a kind of snake that lives in the water. Okay, Mango, show me the long E sounds.
Sam. No.
No.
Beast.
Beast.
Snake.
Snake, are you sure?
No. Eel. Eel.
Eel. Very good. Eel.
Maybe.
Not maybe.
What's why?
Maybe. Sorry, maybe. Okay, B at the end. How about we? Good. Finished?
Yes.
Well done. Good job, Mango. Okay, so the sand beast is like an eel. Maybe it's a snake. We run and jump over it. Okay, so Taylor, you were almost right. They said maybe it's an eel, but maybe it's a snake. Good job. And look at the decorations that they put. They put some nice colorful shells, a starfish to make it look beautiful. Okay, next page. Let's have Luli. Luli, hello.
Hello, Miss Claire.
Hello, can you read this one?
Then Pete had to go home. So do I had lot of fun. We were met at the beach next week.
Okay, well done. I'm going to read it and then you can repeat, okay? Listen again. Then Pete has to go home. So do I. We had lots of fun. We will meet at the beach next week. Do it again, Luli.
Then Pete had to go home.
Good.
So do I. We had lots of fun. We were met at the beach this week.
That's better. Well done. The first time you just forgot the full stops, okay? So remember to pause at the end of a sentence. Take a little breath. Good job, Lily. Okay, so Pete has to go home. So do I. We had lots of fun. We will meet at the beach next week. Okay, let's see if Cherry's microphone is working. Where is Cherry? Hello, Cherry. Still no microphone. Okay. Let's see. Puppy, are you ready? Okay, tell me the long E sounds here.
Me. E.
Wait.
We. Two.
Two E's, okay? This
We.
one. This one.
Me.
Meet.
Beach.
Beach.
Week.
Week. Well done. Is that all? Yeah, well done. Good job, puppy. Okay. So everyone, then you can see they're going home. Time to go home. They have their buckets here. Maybe they're full of seashells. And they have their towels and everything. and it's time to go home, and they're coming back to the beach next week. Okay, so now we have finished the story and we can play a game. Okay, are you ready to play, everyone? So today we play the Sailor Moon game. Okay, so here are the rules. You choose a question. The right answer will earn you points, and maybe you will play a bonus game. Okay, good luck. So we can choose a letter. Let's see. Ben, are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, choose a letter.
I choose F.
F, yeah?
Which word has the long E sound? But I don't know what word is this.
Okay, the first one says early. Early, egg, or ear. Remember, the sound is E. So listen. Early, egg, ear.
Egg.
Egg, does it sound like E? No? Try again, Ben. Ben, I think you froze. Where are you? I think you froze. Okay, let's try someone else. Who knows the answer? Hands up if you know. Susu, what's the answer?
Ear.
Ear, very good. Ear sounds like E. It has long E. Let's see if you're right. Good job. Okay. 2 points for Susu. Very good. Susu 2. And do you want to try bonus?
Yeah.
Okay, left or right?
Left.
Right.
Left.
Wow, 15 more points. Excellent. So Susu has 17. Good job. Well done, Susu. Okay, who is next? Let's see who needs a turn. Okay, Puppy, are you ready? Yeah? Okay, choose a letter. Sheep, very good. Let's see. Yay, sheep. Okay, let's see. How many points for Puppy? Ooh, sorry. No points, Puppy. You got the bomb. Okay. Let's see who is next. I'm looking for Banana. Where is Banana? Are you ready?
Hello, Miss Claire.
Hello, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, choose a letter.
Letter G.
G. Which word does not have the long E sound? Eat. Listen.
No.
No.
Sleep.
Sleep, it has
No.
long E.
No.
No. A. Listen. Slip. Okay. Let's see. Very good. Next one. 7 points, Banana. Very good. 7. Okay. Next one is Dukhoi. Dukhoi, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, choose a letter.
I choose letter C.
C. Okay.
Which word has long E?
Is it dead, tree, or Fred?
Tree.
Tree. Very good. Let's see. Well done. Tree. 2 points, Dukhoi. And do you want to try bonus?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, choose 2.
Okay. I choose the dark blue one and the green one.
What color? The first one, tell me.
Yes. And the green one.
Ah, this one?
No. The dark blue.
Dark blue. This one?
And the number 4 one.
And number 4, so you get 2 points for this one. And then you can switch points. Do you want to switch points with someone?
I want to take Susu point.
Susu points. Wow, then you have 17 points. And Susu has 4. Okay, Dukai, so 4 for Susu and 17 for you. Well done. Okay. Sorry, Susu. Okay, let's see who's next. Dragon. Where is Dragon? Dragon, pick a letter.
Letter D.
B,
D.
D. Which word does not have long E? Is it B, bear, or me? B, bear, me.
B. B.
B, very good. B, well done. Okay, Dragon, how many points? 5 points.
5.
And we try bonus?
Yeah.
Okay, left or right?
Left.
Left. Destroy another person's points. Whose points do you want to destroy? Susu, Dukhoi, or Banana? Dukhoi, oh no, sorry Dukhoi. Your points are gone. Sorry. Okay. Next one, let's see. I need Rosie. Where is Rosie? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, choose a letter. Choose a letter.
Letter B.
B. Oops, it's already there. Okay, which word has the long E sound? What's the answer, Rosie?
Sheep.
Sheep. Okay, this one was already bomb for you. And let's do one more, everyone. Where is Funny? Oops, not you. Funny, are you ready?
A.
A. Don't know why it's doing that. Sorry. Okay, read the question for me.
Which word has the long E? D. Tree. Fred. It is tree.
Tree, very good. Okay. Let's see, 2 points for you. And bonus, choose 2.
I want a red one.
The red one is -5. And choose one more.
The gray one.
The gray one. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Bomb. Sorry, Funny. Okay, everyone. Game over. Okay, the winner is, let me see, Banana with 7 points. Well done, Banana. Yay! Good job, Banana.
Chú ơi, chú được 7. Lâm được nhất đó.
Banana.
What?
You got 7 points. Well done. You win. Okay, very good. Let's go back. I will show you your homework, everyone. So the homework tonight is a quiz, okay? It's a quiz to practice the long E. So here are the code and the link. Okay, everyone? So let's recap. Let's remember, what did we learn today? We learned more about long E. We finished the story at the beach and we played the game. Okay, time to say goodbye. Well done, everyone. Bye-bye.